Hello everyone. Today I'm here to demonstrate you network automation. This network automation is come when you are tired to using manual configuration, manual task daily, and repetitive task every day, like administrative or operation. Or for example, you are using or creating new user, and or you want to delete from multiple devices like switches. So in our this network topology, where I have built this one, so we are going to create new user for five devices, Cisco devices. We have three switches and one router. And later on, we will delete this one through the script written in Python using Netmiko library. So let's go to the this network topology. So let me just show you first how many user right now existing in this topology. First of all, I will go to router. Then I will show you that how many user we have here. So you can see there only one user exists there, and as well in the switch also I will show you Cisco 123. Then show root user. So here you can see that we have only one user every device right now, like HR department, sales department, where I will show you here. You can see that we have one core switch and one router and two departments. One is HR and one is sales. So what I'm going to do here, I will just run a script using Python in the library with Netmiko. What it is going to do, it will create one user for all devices same time. And if you wanted, so you can delete it. So this is the lab in the GNS3. I will just connect this one through SSH, and which is I'm just using another computer, and which is in the same subnet. I'm accessing from remote desktop. So just let me run this script. This is the my script which will uh, create new user as well. So here I will run create. It will prompt me which new user I want to add. So I will add admin test, then the password for this create user, and now it's prompting for the user credential which will log into those devices by SSH. So I will write it here username and password for that user. So this script has found four devices connecting with the same range network. And by the way, this list is coming from the CSV file I have created, where all the user the IP address list is there and with the host name. So I don't need to mention here separately. Normally, in every network room or network configuration, the people who are handling the network, so they maintain one inventory where all switches with the IP address and host name, they have that file. So here we have created the user and the log file also saved, and it's mentioned. Let's see first logs. User created. Here you can see four devices we have, like HR. It has been created one user with the name of admin test, and the router. This is my router is host name, and let me show you that file where from this script is reading the IP addresses and host name. This is the file, the inventory of my switches. So this script is reading from this inventory and uh, connecting by SSH using my credential which I provided. So now let's go to the switches and see. You can see here that here 0.110 with the username of Imran has get access and has configured something. So there was also um, written in the memory while you run the right memory. So this is the one coming. Configuration was written to the disk. That means configuration has been saved. So let me check include user. As you see earlier, there was one user with the name of Imran. Now you can see admin test has been created also, and also here one user and Imran has get the access via this IP address, and this creates some configuration, and that configuration has been written successfully to the disk. So again, here we can check what user was created. Here show run load user. See, so admin test user also here. And again, here we can same thing. Imran has access the device and has created something that creation also get successfully saved to the memory. So this is how you can automate your network task daily, the daily routine. Like you have to create one user. So instead of going for one by one um, device to access, main same time you have inventory, just write this script and run this script. Give this update this script with the file path, then run this script. It will access to the switch, which is taking the IP address from that list, and it will going to be write that one. So now, as I shown you that we have user here, okay, and now I'm going to delete this user. As I showed you with every device we have. So let me run this delete user command, and it will delete that user. So this command, this script is going to ask me, first it will ask me admin credential, which I has to log in. So admin is Imran, and the password, then the username, which one you want to delete. So which user I'm going to delete? Admin test. So this is the admin and test. So this script will again read the file IP address hostname from the file, and it will connect to those devices by accessing SSH with this credential which I have provided, and it will delete that one. So there was a problem. It has been failed to connect authenticate to the device. So I think what I provide the password, it was wrong. Cisco 123 admin test. So hopefully I have not entered the wrong password right now, as I did before by mistake. So it's connecting to the switch. What is the 0.171? Yeah. So that admin test deleted successfully. So the good thing I type the password very correctly. So this was deleted from 171 switch. Then router admin test has been deleted, and now it's connecting to the sales. Then it will connect to the HR. So let me show you again. This is the router, and you can see that Imran has access line BTY0 with this IP address, and he has did something configuration changes, and that configuration also was saved. So now you can see there was earlier As you have seen, admin test was there, and so now there is no more. It has been deleted. Also here, same scene. Imran get access by SSH and did changes some in the configuration, and that saved configuration also, and also no user admin test. Here also same, you can see it here, one user. So we have run two script. One script is creating the user for multiple devices, Cisco devices, and the other one was only to delete the user. So there was logs also for the user creation. There is it has been user created with this commands, and there is logs for user deletion also. HR deletion. This is the user has been deleted in HR, and only now one user we have. And earlier there was error, as you see there was incorrect password which I have provided HR session. So this was the configuration, I mean this was the script run in the configuration. So thank you very much. That's all. That's how we can do the task by automating the network. Thank you.